Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enhance your natural beauty using makeup. So if you would like to follow along with this tutorial, stay tuned.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Seren Leone, and today I'm going to give you a get ready with me. This is going to be a get ready with me video, and I'm going to do my hair and makeup, and I'm going to give you a look that just shows you how I usually let my natural beauty shine through while I'm wearing a full face of makeup. So if you want to see how I get this look, I don't have a look on my face, so what am I saying? So if you're interested in how to let your natural beauty shine through, stay tuned. Okay beauty, so the first thing that I do is wash my face with black soap. That's already done. So now I'm gonna do my baby hairs. I love using this style booster for my edges. I got it from the beauty supply store, and I'm using the scent strawberry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I love wearing braids, guys. Like, my hair is done already. So the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my face with my favorite, my Photo Finish Smashbox Primer. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and prime my face. With primer, the first place that I usually like to go is underneath my eyes. And then I just move it around from there. Next thing that I'm going to do is use my Fenty Beauty Luscious Lip Balm. This product is bomb. This product is staple. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is their soft matte longwear foundation, the original formula. I have combination skin, and this formula just really does it for me. I'm in the shade 420, ladies. Let me know what shade you're in. So I am just going to take the tiniest bit of foundation for my forehead and my eyes. I love this foundation because it's so breathable. Like, you can definitely get a flawless skin finish look with this foundation. That's why it's one of my favorites. Next, I'm going to conceal. I'm going to start off concealing my eyelids because I am going to do a bit of eyeshadow today. And then the regular underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, a little bit on that forehead, a little bit here. lipstick that I got is from NYX. So I'm just adding a little bit to it, to the bottom of my lip.
Shout out Young Swiss.
What shade is this? I'm not looking at the shade. This is Liply 20. The powder, I'm gonna like try to dust that off to make sure stuff is even. I don't know if I feel like I'm dusting it off or if I'm just super blending it in. Oop, no. A Freestyle Highlighter Duo in Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. So I think I'm gonna use Afternoon Snack. It has a little bit less glitter, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm adding a little bit underneath my brow and on my cheekbones. Finally, I'm going to just use mascara for my eyes. I'm not going to do any fake lashes because when I'm letting my natural beauty shine through, I like to have my regular lashes. They're super curly already. And ladies, this is the face. This is my natural, like my let your natural beauty shine through face. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments. Please like the video if you liked it. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the products. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload a beauty video. So I will see you